So this US oil analysis for Monday the 29th of October. Now let's just have a look at prices, where prices may likely go. So here on the US oil, we've had prices pull back down pretty close towards that 6612. Had acceleration here up towards that 6773, broke above 6773, weren't able to sustain that break towards that 6819. Instead, we've seen a pullback from that 6773 all the way back down towards that 6712 at present. So if we do hold the 6712, we are looking for a move back up towards that 6773, a successful break from which target at 6819. In around that 6819, we do have daily confluence of a 200 period average, thus increased likelihood of seeing stars meant to come into the market from that level. But if we can break beyond 6819, we're looking for a move towards that 6951 here on the US oil, and beyond that, if there is some volatility here to the upside, we're looking to move up towards that 7079. If, however, we do break down from that 6712, looking for a move down towards that 6671, successful break from which target at 6612, and successful break from which we'll be then looking for price head down towards that 6560 here on the US oil. We'll do now is have a look here at the weekly time frame, see how prices are developing. So on this weekly time frame of the US oil, while we are seeing oil in an uptrend, we are seeing greater volatility here. Are seeing a bit of a I think it's termed a megaphone pattern develop on the US oil. What we've seen more recently is we've made new highs around 76.66. We've seen further acceleration here to the downside, somewhat breaking out of the most immediate trend here on the US oil. So we'll see if we do break back within the trend and have further continuation up towards that 78.40, or if we'll see a deeper retracement. If that is the case, we'll mention levels that we are looking at when we have a look here at the daily time frame. If we do see further consistent sell side momentum here on the US oil. So we'll have a look here at the daily time frame. So on this daily time frame, we do have a highs, lower highs, lower highs still. We've had further lower highs. We've had prices pull back, currently testing the 200 period moving average at present. So if we do fail to hold that 6773 again and break our previous lows around that 6612 or so, again we've mentioned the 6560, but more importantly, we're looking at a move down towards that 6475. Previously, an area found support before seeing this acceleration up towards our 76.66, beyond 64.75, looking at move down towards our 63.76. Again, an area found support before we did see this rally back up towards that $75 a barrel mark here on the US oil. So we've got a few levels to look at to the downside if we do see continued falling momentum, and to the upside, the very next major level of note beyond 68.19. We've mentioned 69.51. Beyond that, we're looking at that 70. 17 analysis. Thanks for watching.